Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making over an armoire for my guest room that I found on Facebook Marketplace for $50. It's a really terrific piece of furniture, but it definitely needed a makeover. So I'm going to paint it and use a bunch of different design transfers from Redesign with Prima. I'm also going to stencil it and use some decoupage and whatever I can to make it look as happy as possible. Since this is going in my guest room, I definitely want my guests to feel like they're welcome and in a really good mood when they're staying in this room. So that's my goal for this armoire. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hey. Are you ready? Let's make over this armoire. The word armoire stems from the late 12th century Old French word armoire, which originated from the Latin word armarium, meaning a place to store things. When France took the word back 150 years later, armoire became the word we know today. The Harlequin is a mischievous clown character from Commedia dell'arte, the 16th century Italian theater movement. Their early costumes were sewn together from fabric scraps, where the diamond pattern became associated with harlequins. In 1848, a 16-year-old African-American inventor named Osborne Dorsey developed the patent for the first modern doorknob as we know it today. I'm going to leave a link to Redesign with Prima and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I promise to get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at the Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor. And I'll see you next week. Bye.